Assalomu alaykum barchaga. Sizlar bilan lug'at 3-darsimizni boshlaymiz. Bugungi mavzuyimiz work and employment, ya'ni ish mavzusida bo'ladi. Number 1. Eager beaver. Someone who is extremely enthusiastic and works very hard. Bu shaxsga beriladigan ta'rif bo'lib, ya'ni qandaydir bir shaxs, ya'ni biror ishni qilishga shu darajada berilib ketgan, jon jahdi bilan harakat qiladigan shaxs. Being eager beaver, she sometimes is not well liked by her colleagues. U ishga bu darajada sho'ng'ib ketishi bilan har doim ham kasbdoshlariga yoqavermaydi. Don't be such an eager beaver. We have a lot of time to complete the task. Ishga bunchalik berilib ketaverma. Hali topshiriqni bajarish uchun vaqtimiz ko'p. Number 2. Burden. Bu qiyinchilik, ko'chma ma'nodagi yuk. A duty, responsibility or something that causes worry, stress or hard work. Qandaydir vazifa, majburiyat yoki sizni tashvishga soluvchi qandaydir og'ir yuk. Her illness placed a heavy financial burden on her family. Uning betobligi oilasiga og'ir moddiy yuk bo'ldi. The tax system imposed a heavy financial burden on the factories. Soliq tizimi fabrikalarga og'ir moliyaviy yuk bo'ldi. Number 3. Meet someone's needs. To satisfy someone's needs. Ya'ni zaruratlarni qondirmoq. He has a satisfying job, but it doesn't pay enough to meet his needs. Uning qoniqsa bo'ladigan ishi bor, ammo u uning zaruratlarini qondirish uchun yetarlicha haq to'lamaydi. The job provided her with a good income to meet her needs for food, clothing and accommodations. Bu ish unga yeb-ichish, kiyim-kechak, turar joy kabi zaruratlarni qondirish uchun yetarli darajada daromad bilan ta'minladi. Number 4. Take on. To undertake, to accept to do something. Biror ishni o'z zimmasiga olmoq. He is not afraid to take on challenging work. U mushkul ishni o'z zimmasiga olishdan qo'rqmaydi. She has taken on the task of looking after her elderly mother. U o'zining keksa onasiga g'amxo'rlik qilishni o'z zimmasiga oldi. Number 5. Doable. Something is doable if it can be achieved or possible to do. Qilsa bo'ladigan ish, ya'ni imkoni bor. Passing the reading and writing tests is doable. O'qish va yozish imtihonlaridan o'tish qilsa bo'ladigan ish, iloji bor. His daughter didn't think her homework was doable but was just complaining and being lazy. Uning qizi uyga vazifasini bajarishning iloji bor deb o'ylamadi, balki faqat shikoyat qildi va yalqovlik qildi. Number 6. Career. The job or profession that you do during your working life. Bu karyera, ya'ni siz umringiz davomida qiladigan kasb, ish. He was happy to have chosen a career that suited his personality perfectly. U o'zining fe'l-atvoriga to'laligicha mos keluvchi karyera tanlaganidan mamnun edi. The scandal ruined her career. Gap-so'zlar uning karyerasini barbod qildi. Number 7. Deadline. A time when something is due or must be done or finished. Ya'ni biror bir topshiriqning bajarilish muddati, oxirgi muddat. He is having trouble meeting the deadline. U topshiriqni o'z vaqtida bajarishga qiynalyapti. Because of her incompetence, we won't make our deadline. Uning mas'uliyatsizligi tufayli biz topshiriqni o'z vaqtida bajara olmaymiz. Number 8. Overtime. beyond the usual time, extra time spent at work. Ya'ni odatdagi vaqtdan ortiqcha. He was forced to work overtime. U ortiqcha ishlashga majbur bo'ldi. I'm afraid that he has to work overtime. U ortiqcha ishlab berishiga to'g'ri keladi deb qo'rqaman. Number 9. Probation. A period of time during which someone who has been given a new job is tested to see whether they are suitable for work. Bu probation sinov muddati, ya'ni yangi ishga kirgan shaxs shu ishga mos keladimi yo'qmi, qanchadir muddat u nazoratda bo'ladi. Bu probation sinov muddati. John has been hired for a period of probation of 6 months. John 6 oy sinov muddatga ishga yollandi. She was asked to work for a period of probation of 3 months. U 3 oy sinov muddati ishlab berishni so'rashdi. Handle someone's workload. Ishni eplamoq, uddasidan chiqmoq. He cannot handle his workload. He's stressing out. U o'z ishini eplay olmaydi. Faqat stressga berilgan. She self-trained herself on programs that she thought would handle her workload more efficiently. U o'zining ishini yaxshiroq bajarishga yordam beruvchi dasturlarni o'rganib chiqqan.